Hello, my name is Cesar Lucena. Our group ID is UC-120, and I'll be talking about our project, the Virtual Companionship Chatbot. This is a little bit of a motto that we came up with, and it's when life gets rough, a friend is enough. To talk about the background on why we decided to do this project. In our increasingly digital world, loneliness has grown large with many individuals that seek comfort in the glow of their screens. Our project seeks to offer a companionship to those in isolation. Looking at statistics from Gitnuss, we found that around 77% of college students face chronic loneliness, and it gets worse the higher you go. Around 61.5% of college students face overwhelming anxiety in their senior year. This can be due to the end of the phase or any issues that are coming up, the stress of finding a new job or figuring out what you're going to do in life, and this could be you. So our goals and what we want to do is we're crafting a digital companion, one that is available at any hour to listen, engage, and converse, one that is powered by the latest in large language models, and the AI will not just respond, it will understand, it will emphasize, and it will connect. Its architecture was designed to learn and adapt to individual users, providing a personalized interaction that grows more refined with each conversation. We also want to use a database management system that help save past conversations, which helps the chatbot to use them. That way, it will grow even further and it will adapt more to the user. This is an initial display of how our user interface looked. It was made with React Native, displayed in Android Studio. This is what it looked like initially. It was just a really basic user back and forth input output, and then we decided to upload it to make it look a little bit more modern with bubbles. After improving the front end even more, this is what our app ended up looking like. At this point, we had already added the Firebase data management system. Again, it was done with React Native and displayed with Android Studio. When it comes to what is an LLM is like a storyteller who has read every book in the library. An LLM generates text by predicting the next word in sequence, much like completing a sentence where the beginning is known but the end is yet to be written. What makes our project different from other LLM projects is that we apply sentiment analysis to us. Sentiment analysis helps us so the LLM does not just read words but can also fill them. It will see if the text exudes joy, sorrow, anger, or neutrality. When the LLM performs sentiment analysis, they look at the word choice, the sentence structure, and even the punctuation to infer the writer's emotional state. This goes beyond simple positive or negative classification. It's about understanding the subtle changes of human emotion and responding appropriately. And I want to thank you all for being here, and I appreciate you listening to my presentation.